Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain about AngularJS email validation. How can email validation applied? How can find it the valid email or not? I'm going to run the code. What will happen? Ng my form, within the form tag, within the input email my address. The name is my address. Ng model is text. I'm using the ng show my form dot my address dot dollar error dot email is a not valid email address is a message. I'm going to run the code. What will happen here? I'm type the code here is not valid. If suppose I am using at, right, here is valid one. So what is a valid or invalid valid mail? You can easy to find out and easy to reflect that. Yeah, user entered very responsive. It is useful for the email validation part. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you next video.